This patient had Judet type 3 radial head displaced fracture, for which we had to do close reduction and K-wire procedure. Initially we tried to do close reduction, but it was unstable, hence we are going to use K-wire to stabilize the reduction. So as you can see, I have introduced a K-wire from the lateral aspect right into the fracture, and once I am inside the fracture, I am going to gradually elevate the wire, and which is going to reduce the displaced and angulated radial head to its anatomical location. As you can see in the sequential ITV images, the radial head is getting reduced. Once it is held reduced, I am going to drill a K-wire through the radial head, and I am going to drill it gradually to engage the opposite cortex, which is going to stabilize this fracture. This K-wire is going to reduce any chances of loss of reduction in future, which was a possibility with only plaster. We can put another K-wire if need arises, but in this case this is sufficient, and you can see the stability throughout the range of motion is quite good. We are going to apply above elbow cast, which with the wire will be removed at 1 month duration. Thank you.